How to turn on contact sync on Instagram. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Instagram on your device, log into your account, then go to your profile at the bottom right corner of your screen. Then click on three lines at the top right corner of your screen. Then click on Account Center, which is at the top. In Account Center, scroll down to Your Information and Permissions and click on it. After that, in here you'll find this kind of screen pop up. Click on Upload Contacts at the bottom. In Upload Contacts, select your Instagram account. After you have selected your Instagram account, to enable it, simply click on this button and make sure the white circle is on the right side, and it will be enabled. This is how to turn on Contact Sync on Instagram. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.